can really hear what is pecking on a tree. It's using a lot of muscles. It's very noisy. You get to feel somewhat. I mean, if you birds here, as far as woodpecker is the only species that create or construct on building or drilling on the tree, have a hole and eat whatever he eats, and he flies away. He will never ever come back. You find species like hornbills and the other species, as far as starlings, crested barbet, they take over on those holes and really use this hole. There's a bearded woodpecker. Bearded woodpecker. You know, all these woodpecker family, you tend to see some of them, they got red-headed and